Cheers for coming back. It's probably about time to sort all this, eh? Oh, it's going to be a bad one. As I've done no but moan about needing my floors to arrive, it's now April. I think it's last week of April. I ordered them at late December. And they've finally arrived. So, obviously I'm going to have to lop all that out. I'm not going to bother trying to save any of the lower section at all. Being totally honest with you, I might even not bother trying to save any of the top section either. That does have a cab mount under it. Not quite sure what I'm going to do yet. Either way, I think I'm just going to lop out all the floor. Just a couple of inches all the way around the side so the new floor pan can just slide in. And then bogey it together and see what happens. So that's main tub, all cleaned up. Obviously this area is pretty solid still. There is a little bit of rust, but I'm going to spray a little bit of rust converter on it and see what it does. All this bit, super nice and solid. That's how it should be. I was just checking because obviously this kind of comes in quite high. But I think I'm just going to lop this out because that's, I think, a cab strength. Oh no, there's nothing underneath there. So I think I'm going to lop this out, see what that does, and then slowly work my way in. Clean all that edge up and then just work out kind of where I want to be in this area, because like I said, this is actually not bad, and this is where the cab mount is actually situated as part of the floor. So I'll get all that trimmed up and then at least we can see where we are. Well, I could service the gearbox from this new hatch if I wanted to. I look pretty ropey after all that. Just going to use a bit of this stuff. I've seen it's pretty decent. I've used it before. And all I'm going to do is just give it a quick around in there. And then that's it. I'll get the new floors prepped and get it ready to go in. I just chucked a little bit of weld through primer on, so that's all everywhere now. You need to think about it. This little area here, I'm gonna have to make this little lip under here, so I've just rush trekked the underside and left it for the time being. But otherwise now, cut new floor, obviously get it ready to fit and everything, and we should be fine. Should go straight in hopefully. Sorry that video ended so abruptly. I slipped a disc and it just wrote me week off, so that's going to be, I guess, yet another part to this interior saga. But instead, let's have a walk around Stanley Hall and get dubby with Big Eden. Pre. Best wheels. Yep, he's a fucking dreamer. What I've managed to gather from today so far is that everyone here is fucking grabbing. Spilled me drink.
Yeah. Oh no, where's that gone down there? I've got a can if you want a can.
Oh, it just tastes bad. It's so bad.
Oh god, it obviously filled all the burnout. Oh no. We don't know burnout, Billy.
Oh, I did one.
Let's go. You ready for this?
I'm gonna have a fucking miserable drive home for an hour and a half.
We'll be fine. It wasn't that bad getting here.
Cheers for watching. It were alright. Went to a WVW show. I bought a t-shirt and a cup. And watched Eden get sweaty at Price or everything.
And we used Easy Start.
Oh, and we used a lot of Easy Start getting here. Cheers.